I am El Villanueva, your host from this episode of GMA Lifestyle, straight from the expert anti-aging skincare episode.
El, welcome to their clinic.
Of course, Doc, it's nice to see you again.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jean Marquez and I'm a dermatologist.
Doc, the reason why we're here is because sa dami ng mga nakikita namin online, especially influencers, vloggers, ang dami nilang nire-recommend na skincare products. And minsan nga may Korean 16-step skincare pa. It's overwhelming. So, ano kaya ang right skincare talaga?
Well, the right skincare should be suited for your type of skin, no? Important kasi that you should be able to know your type of skin, no? So, number one, you have sensitive skin. Do you have oily skin? Do you have dry skin? Do you have combination skin? And then aside from that, you should also know yung skin concerns mo talaga. Do you have acne? Do you have pigmentations? Do you have pores? Do you have fine lines? So, ang dami. So, it should not be just one set of products na porke ginamit ng friend mo, pwede mo na rin gamitin.
Yeah, so it really differs, no? Depende sa skin mo.
So, may mga basic kasi talaga na skincare regimen, no? You start with a soap, then toner, and then sun protection, diba? And then moisturization. If you want an anti-aging cream, then you have a firming cream. And then if you have naman pigmentations, then you have an additional whitening cream. Kaya madami din minsan, no? And then, like here in their clinic, we also incorporate mga supplements, no? Because we believe nga, the healthier your skin is, or the healthier you are from the inside, the healthier your skin will be.
So, Doc, kaya, for my skin type, anong recommendation mo?
Alright, kasi unang-una, no, I know naman your skin type. You have sensitive skin din, di ba? And also, you have combination skin.
Alam na,
so
alam
here, no, you have dry skin here,
Yeah.
but on the T-zone area, you have oily skin, no? So what I would recommend for you is just a mild cleanser, no? It's always safe to go to use mild cleansers. Kesa use cleansers with scrubs, no? If you're not sure of your skin type, do not use scrubs, no? Or do not use whitening soaps because they can be irritating, no? So it's better to always go to the safe side, use a mild soap. Also, I would recommend for you is a gentle toner lang. Actually, ang toners are just there as an additional cleaning agent. It was designed for that, no? Nag-iba-iba lang through the years. Dinagdagan na yung toner na may whitener, toner na merong tretinoin to smoothen, no? So, nalilito tuloy yung mga tao.
Yeah.
Toner pa lang, ang dami
na
dapat malaman, diba?
So, parang sinasabi din na parang mas simple yung ingredient, mas better.
Hindi naman, mas personalized for you. Kaya nga, it's really good to, I consult a dermatologist.
I wonder, for like aging skin, ano kaya ang best cleanser for them? Is it mild or yung strong?
For aging skin talaga, it's really wise to go for the mild cleansers, diba?
Okay.
Kasi as we age, we lose actually oils on our skin. The oil actually protects our skin, no, from the environment, no. So, limbawa, you get exposed to pollution, to extreme heat, to extreme malamig naman na temperature, no? Pag wala kang oils, pwedeng ma-irritate, mabilis ma-damage yung skin mo. And then it can cause mga irritations, redness na. And pag as you age pa, the healing capacity of the skin actually decreases. So, mas matagal na nawawala yung mga redness and irritation. So, it's better to go for the mild cleansers.
I see. Doc, as you mentioned nga, yung oil natin parang mas nakakabata siya.
Oo.
So, kung oily ka ba, mas less ka mag-age over time?
Well, not necessarily then, no? Because ang pinaka-factor that will increase your aging is really photoaging. So, there's two kinds of aging. There's the natural aging process wherein talaga naman, talagang tatanda tayo as we age, di ba? And then pangalawa, there's what you call photoaging. Yan ang mas malaking factor, no, sa premature aging, ang photoaging. Kaya doon mo makikita na merong 30-year-old na mukhang 50, may 50-year-old na mukhang 30, no?
Yeah.
It's because yung kanilang lifestyle, how they protected themselves from the sun, no?
Yeah.
And of course, their lifestyle as well. Do you smoke? Do you drink, no? Lagi ka bang puyat? What kind of foods do you eat?
Nako, alam ko madami nagpupuyat
Oo,
dito.
because there's what you call anti-aging foods, no? The foods that will not cause inflammation on your skin, no? And also, pwede rin yung, syempre, the kind of skincare that you use. And of course, yung protection mo sa araw, no? Maraming factors sa
Marami
aging.
talaga.
Stress also.
Oh, no.
Kaya 'di ba, pag na-stress ka, parang, ba't bigla siyang nag-age?
Oh, parang
Diba?
nagkaka-wrinkles ka.
Oo. Or pag nagkasakit ka, galing ka sa hospital, parang bigla kang nag-age.
Yeah.
Diba? So, there's a lot of factors. Kaya importante talaga yung skincare. Dapat you should start early. Kasi we lose collagen, 1% of collagen at the age of 25.
Oh,
Every year, we lose
gosh.
1%. And the collagen gives firmness to our skin.
How young dapat, Doc, nagsa-start mag-skincare?
Well, ang skincare should start as early as if you have acne, then you should treat it during teenage years now. The anti-aging creams, you can start as early as 25 years old. Mga firming creams, pwede ka na yan. Nakaka-firm, yung nakaka-smooth, then you can use that na.